Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best in shapewear, the Spanx Seamless Higher Power Short. If you're looking for something that offers both comfort and incredible shaping power, you're in the right place. The Spanx Seamless Higher Power Short is designed to provide all-day comfort and seamless shaping. Made from a blend of 54% nylon and 46% spandex, it offers a lightweight yet firm hold that smooths out any unwanted lines under your clothes. Many users rave about the comfort and effectiveness of the Spanx Seamless Higher Power Short. It's designed not just for shaping, but for all-day wear, ensuring you feel confident and supported from morning to night. While there are many shapewear options out there, what sets the Spanx Seamless Higher Power Short apart is its combination of comfort and functionality. It's engineered to stay in place and provide the shaping you need without sacrificing comfort. Let me show you how easy it is to wear and the difference it makes under different outfits. Whether you're wearing a dress, jeans, or even leggings, the Spanx Seamless Higher Power Short ensures a smooth silhouette. In conclusion, if you're looking for the best in shapewear, the Spanx Seamless Higher Power Short delivers. It combines seamless design, all-day comfort, and effective shaping to enhance your confidence and style effortlessly. Thank you for tuning in today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Until next time, stay stylish and confident.